This video will demonstrate how to add the Library Resources module into any course in e-learning. Once you have opened the course in which you want to add the Library Resources module, click on Edit Course in the menu at the top of the page. And then click on the Import, Export, Copy Components link in the Site Resources section. Make sure that the radio button next to Copy Components from another org unit is selected, and then click on the Search for Offering button under Course to Copy. In the field at the top of the page, type Library Resources Module, and then click the Search button next to it. Select the radio button next to Library Resources Module, and click the Add Selected button. On the next page, click the Select Components button. If you get the Copy This Again message, go ahead and click Yes. Just make sure that you don't have two Library Resources modules in your course when you are done. Check the box next to Content and the box next to External Learning Tool links, and then click the Continue button at the bottom of the page. On the next page, click the Finish button, and the Library Resources module is being copied to your course now. When the copying is completed, click Content in the menu at the top of the page. You should now see the Library Resources module in the table of contents of your course. This module can be moved anywhere within the table of contents, including nested inside other modules. And that is how you add the Library Resources module into any course in e-learning.